Alright! So today, papanoorin natin. Wait! 2 araw daw sold out ang Philippine Arena. Nakita ko sa TikTok, sa actual website ng Philippine Arena, 110,000 yung capacity na na-sold out ng SB19 sa 2 araw ng simula at wakas concert. Aha! First Filipino na naman ulit. At sa mga nagtatanong kung pause ako, yes, pause ako. Kaya ngayon lang tayo nakapag-video ulit. At pinagpahinga ko ang aking boses. Dahil 2 songs pa lang. Kakaumpisa pa lang ng intro. Tapos isang kanta. Pause na ako, men. Yun ang nangyari. Kaya well, nagdiwang tayo, nagsaya. Napakaganda ng concert. Napakaganda ng production. Everything is great. Sobrang galing, sobrang the best. The best concert ever. At dito naman sa YouTube, may nakita akong upload. Puting ina. Dumaan na nga lahat ng motor. Puti, kanina pa to. Pangatlong intro ko na to. Motor, aeroplano, spaceship. Wala pang dati. Yun. Hayop. Shit. Okay. So, habang nagsasaya tayo, no, itong mga animal na, hindi ko alam yung title kasi YouTube Reactors Defend eh. So, parang dinefensa nila yung SB19 sa mga bashers kasi walis. Napaka-specific. So, mga blooms na masasama. Kasi dalawa kasing side yung blooms, mga mababait, yung mga totoong blooms, saka yung mga hindi mabait, no? So, brooms pala to, yung kasi nakalagay sa ni Miss O. Walis. Okay, so umpisa na natin to kasi 'di ba? Tayo nagsasaya tayo, ina-appreciate natin yung concert natin. While sila, napaganda ng mga gawain nila sa buhay. So, tingnan natin kung ano tong kanilang mga hinanaing, 'di ba? Okay. 1, 2, 3, let's start this.
Yeah, with someone we met at the Beanie concert. They were like, yeah,
we're like, oh my god,
so angry, always so angry.
And she was like, oh, those boys are...
YouTube reactors defend SB19 against Walis.
Alright. So, ano pala, no? Pumunta sila sa concert ng Beanie. Okay, tapos nakausap nila yung mga ibang blooms. Okay.
Talking bad about them.
With someone we met at the Beanie concert. They were like, yeah,
we're like, oh my god,
so angry, always so angry.
And she was like, oh, those boys are...
YouTube reactors defend SB19 against Walis, talking bad about them.
Miss O? My God!
The new reaction video of...
So, yung... meron ba nakakita sa inyo kay Miss O? Sa concert? Gusto ko pa naman makita itong legend na to. Ito talaga... The Tag Life Miss O eh. Hindi ko nakita, sayang. Sabi nila na sa date daw siya. Totoong tao ba talaga siya?
Defend SB19 against Walis.
Pacific! I-sponsoran mo naman ako. Okay.
Talking bad about them. The new reaction video of Waleska and Efra on SB19 performing on Billboard Philippine Studios was so telling. The two recalled an instance in Beanie concert when some people told them that SB19 are always angry and shouting in their songs.
You know what's crazy? I met somebody who said the thing about SB19...
Damn! So, nag-react sila sa Billboard PH performance. Then, side comment lang nila to, no? Hindi topic, hindi nila ginawa ng video and shit. Side comment lang, no? So, medyo nakakahiya yun na bigla kang i-topic kahit wala ka dun, pero kailangan siya nilang sabihin kasi naging experience nila yun. Medyo nakakahiya yung part na yun, no? Na negative yung topic na malabas sa'yo, out of nowhere.
Recalled an instance in Beanie concert when some people told them that SB19 are always angry and shouting in their songs.
You know what's crazy? I met somebody who said the thing about SB19 is like their latest song, they're just shouting it. They're always so angry. It makes sense, y'all. It makes sense.
Yeah, with someone we met at the Beanie concert. They were like, Yeah,
we're
it's
like, oh my god,
so angry, always so
SB19.
angry.
And she was like, oh, those boys are always so angry. And I'm like, what do you mean? It makes sense.
But that's not
Makes
true. That's not
sense."
true because they have so many ballads.
Are they too?
So
They're
it's-
either sad or angry.
Like I actually wanted to show that woman. Like no, actually, I think you're just listening to stuff at charts. Well,
Nakakahiya, nakakahiya kayong pre. Isipin mo, siya pa yung gusto mag-explain sa'yo ng katangahan mo. Diba? Let me explain to you, woman. Parang sabi niya gano'n na, hindi lang puro sigaw yung ilagay niya naman sa kokote niyo. Ako nang yung hiya na lumalagpas sa screen, nararamdaman ko para sa brooms naman. Mahiya naman kayo sa mga balat niyo, please. You are talking about something that you don't even have a little bit of grasp about. Wala kayong alam ni Katiting. Tapos puro lang kayo conclusions na hindi niyo naman inaalam kung ano talaga yung laman ng EP ng SB19, yung pinagdaanan nila. At least magkaroon muna kayo ng alam doon bago kayo mang-bash. Para maging constructive criticism, hindi pang lalait lang. Dinedefend ng international reactor, di na kayo nahiya. Taga-ibang bansa pa nagde-defend sa SB19 kasi napaka nahihiya ako para sa inyo.
And I'm like, what do you mean? It makes sense.
But that's not
Makes
true. That's not
sense.
true because they have so many ballads.
Are they too?
Excuse me.
They're either sad or angry.
Like I actually wanted to show that woman. Like no, actually, I think you're just listening to stuff at charts. But like they have some of the best
Yeah.
Also-
Filipino ballads of the modern era.
To be
Yeah.
honest, I don't feel like they have shouted up until.
They have the best Filipino ballad of the modern era. SLMP na. Yan dapat, no? Tiwo Pacific, dumang ka lang. Yan ka. They have the best Filipino ballads of the modern era. Putik na yan, men. Preach! Ay.
Simula ang wakas.
Yeah, but the lyrics.
Yeah,
The lyrics
I
is always like, you doubted us. Fuck you. We're gonna go. You know
Also,
what I mean?
Quick goes hard. Change my mind.
Yeah, exactly. So
Quick goes hard. I guess we're gonna find out.
yeah, we're gonna go check out the actual concert.
First of all, why are they talking about SB19 in their idol's concert?
Oh, yun
And
nga.
why are they telling it to these reactors that do not care
Oo
about
nga, nandun ka sa concert ng idolo mo, na kiniklaim mong the best, well, man, hindi mo talaga mapepeke yan kasi yung craft mo kasi nasa internet na, makikita na talaga sino mas magaling, no? Tawa lang talaga itong mga, nasa concert ka ng idol mo, tapos yung topic mo pa sa, mamimit mong parehong reactor ng parehong side, yung kabila, yung SB19 pa, man, gaano ka ka-insecure? Habang kami nagsasold out ng back-to-back arenas without the black towels, by the way. At may mga section doon na iniiyakan nila na sabi nila parang pinakagilid na parang bakit bakante yung section na yun. FYI, fun fact sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Hindi pinabenta ni Pablo yung mga upuan sa mga gilid na mayroong mga bad audio. Sabi niya sa mga huwag niyo ibenta yung mga upuan nandyan kasi bad audio yan dyan. Hindi pinabenta ni Pablo yon. Ganon kalupit ang SB19. Let that sink into your tiny brain. Total, madaling mag-sink yan kasi maliit lang eh. Pagpasok ng information, pasok naman agad sa utak mo. Maliit lang utak mo eh, di ba? Okay.
Fan wars only music? It's as if they're trying to discourage or dissuade these people from liking SB19. It is just so pathetic na imbis na makakagalit ay mapapatawa ka na lang.
Diba?
Wala na yatang iba pang maibabato ang mga walays na ito kaya kumakapit sa script ng laging galit at laging sigaw. Pero siguradong dam at dung ka lang ang alam ng mga ito pero ginajudge na ang buong discography ng SB19.
Oo.
And also, alangan naman na magpabebe ka sa isang battle cry na kanta. Nakakatawa lang talaga. Anyway, I love what these two have said that SB19 has some of the best ballads out there.
Yeah,
And for
legit.
them to be laughing about this, meaning naging katawa-tawa ang naririnig nila. Yung ang
Damn.
dami ng issue sa kanilang bakod from the live performances of their idols, the quality of their merch and concerts, pati sa attitude ng kanilang mga
Damn! Miss O has the receipts, no? We all have the receipts na meron tayong mga pruweba, hindi tayo nang lalait, no? Dubai performance was, ano ba yan? Sponsor mo na! Yung Dubai performance, wala talaga chance, men. very disappointed ang audience nila mismo Blooms were disappointed. Baby Blooms were freaking crying inside and outside. Ay mga bata, yung mga baby na gusto makita yung idols nila. I mean, they idolize them and that's fine for me. I don't fucking care man kung trip ng BINI. Pero masakit 'yon, 'di ba? As nagbabayad ka, tapos di walang LED screens, yun yung pinaka-issue nila dun Kasi alam ko naman pag idol mo, pwede kang pwede kang magtiis kagaya ng ginagawa nila, tinitiis nila yung mga substandard or parang pagtrato sa kanila, ginagawa silang stupid. Okay lang sa kanila yun, pero yung ganun kasi sobra na yun. You have to speak out na puta, binabastos ka na talaga men, ginagawa kang stupid. Walang LED screen, seryoso, ang mahal ng ticket. 'Di ba? Kahit ano pa yan, kahit 500 pa yung ticket, mahal na yun men. Tapos di mo makikita, parang langgam sila sa stage, pangit yun. So X na sila doon sa live. May issue pa sila sa ASAP na parang pitchy sila sa live. Oh, 'di ba? May mga receipt kasi yan Tapos yung sa Dubai, yun masakit na nga yun, no. Yung merch pa nila. Paano ba yung merch nila? Ano ba, pangit ba yung merch nila? Basta yung light stick naman, mukhang maganda naman siya, tsaka mukhang matibay, pero hindi siya pinag-isipan yung yung dating ng bulaklak. Parang as is na siya wala siyang history behind. I know, hindi ko alam kung paano ko explain, pero para sa akin, hindi, my opinion lang hindi ko siya panlasa, kasi parang wala siyang purpose, alam mo yun, parang daan na lang siya, parang siyang bulaklak. Tapos yung ibang merch nila, wala naman ako masyadong idea. Tapos yung BINI land nila, hindi ko din trip, para sa pambata talaga siya, so doon palya na. Tapos yung attitude pa daw ng BINI, sabi ni Miss O, siguro yung issue nila, well, very serious issue yon, and I have no tao nito. Pero hindi naman pwedeng wala kang masabi, no. Let me just say this na hindi naman tayo perfecto, no, pero they said sorry about that shit and that's fine. Sana lang talagang legit yung sorry nila, kasi man, people change and people make mistakes naman, di ba? Lalo na sa private shit ng mga tropa nyo. Pero para sa akin kasi joking about sexualizing jokes to minors is a no-no for me. Sa akin lang naman yun, no? Pero as I've said that they said sorry, so nasa kanila na yun, no? Pero I believe in second chances, man. Tao lang tayo, no? So, that's that. Ang daming issue, pero walang narinig halos yung kanilang side sa atin. Maliban lang talaga doon sa Dubai. Kasi yun talaga, may straight out pang babastos sa Blooms. You should be insulted, Blooms, na ginaganon kayo. Kami pa ang nasasaktan para sa inyo. Pinagmumukha kayong estupido ng production, hindi ng BINI. BINI is good, man. BINI is nice. They have their own talent, sing and dance and shit. Hindi ko lang trip yung bago nilang labas ng mga English songs. Pantropico, Carrera, and Salamin Salamin was freaking amazing. Ako, fan din ako ng BINI. Fan ako ng P-pop in general. Pero, ganun talaga, men. Kadalasan, karamihan sa mga kilala ko at personal ako, nag-go away ako ng konti. Parang nag-drift away ako ng konti dahil sa mga toxic fans ng BINI, no? Pero aside from that, BINI is nice, but the production team and their management is not nice. Right out pang gagago yung ginagawa nila sa inyo, so you should speak out about that. Hindi naman yung idols nyo yung dyan. Pero in the long run, idols nyo yung madadali dyan, kaya dapat you should speak out sa production at management nyo.
Idolo, pero mas pinoproblema pa nila ang kanta ng SB19. Our boys are living in their heads rent-free, lalo na siguro ngayon nakatatapos pa lamang sa historic concerts nila sa Philippine Arena. May magngingit-ngit na naman sa inggit.
Well, that was that. Well, congratulations again to all 18 that has attended that amazing and historic concert, no? Talagang historic yung 2 days sold out. Yun yung nakuha ko sa source sa TikTok. Sa main doon sa Billboard talaga na website So congratulations. Congratulations, Curbs, nandun ka. Napakasayang experience at napakalupet, no? Man, that was the best. I think it's hard to top that shit, man. So, if you're new here, Master, welcome to the channel and please do subscribe. Maraming salamat. It's been Curbs Page and new Master has been amazing. Yeah.